guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Arlene and I thank you so much for stopping by. And today we're going to do a really quick short video. I wanted to share with you a couple of things. I'm going to say, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 items that I have received, actually more than that. Hold on. 7 items that I wanted to share with you guys that I have been playing with and really enjoying. And I got a few of these for Christmas, and I also got some from my mom, who also really likes makeup. Anyway, if you're interested in what I have gotten in the last couple of months and what I've been enjoying in the last couple of months, keep on watching. Alright guys, the first thing I'm going to do is start with all the palettes that I got. I got 4 to show you guys. I love all of them. One of them I haven't played with yet, but I already know that I'm going to love that little palette. But anyway, I'm going to start with the first one, the one my mom sent me. And it's the BH Cosmetics Bronze Paradise Eyes and Cheek Palette. First of all, let's talk about this packaging. I'm sure this has been around several months. I don't know how old it is, but I mean, it's new to me and I really have been enjoying it. I've used it about 3 times already. The packaging is stunning. I love stuff like this, mirrors and reflective packaging, real simple and sleek packaging. I'm all about that. You get a nice big mirror. It's dirty and I'm gonna try not to show you my room. And it comes with 9 eyeshadows, a bronzer, and a highlight. I have come up with this look using this palette today. It's beautiful. They blend easily. There are 2 matte shadows. These 2 right here. One is like a really bright peach one, and the other one is just like a normal like brownish color. And then the bronzer is also matte. This is beautiful little bronzer right here too that you can warm up your face with. And it's called Bronze Paradise obviously for a reason. It has all these nice warm beachy colors and just makes you think warmth, in my opinion. It's been so cold here in Louisiana and I just like this little palette. I came up with this look like I said before. I'm going to zoom in so you can see. I put in a lot of these brownish colors in my eye, and then in the bottom I put the blue eyeshadow. I wanted to incorporate that somehow. I love color, so I just put it in my lower lash line. If you wet these and you build them up, they will build up really nicely. But you can definitely throw this on any shades in the brown family on your eyes. You could throw it on and go to work and you won't have to worry about your look. It's a really flawless, easy, I guess, workable palette. And yes, I've been really enjoying it. My mom has it too and she loves it too. And I'm going to link all the items in the description bar, and I'm going to try to look up prices too for you guys. Alright, my second palette that I wanted to show you guys is the Too Faced Chocolate Gold Bar palette. I don't know if it's gold bar or just gold palette, but this is stunning. You guys, first of all, let's start with packaging. I love packaging, you guys. Packaging makes a whole big difference if I'm gonna buy something or not, unless I know for sure that it is really good. This is so beautiful and stunning. It's like a gold chocolate bar like the first one, which I also have and love, and then it has this like gold dripping down it. Oh, sexy. I love it. This is such a beautiful palette. It comes with a nice big mirror. In the past it has had borders around the mirrors and it kind of got in the way a little bit, but I love this mirror. Plenty of, I guess, eye space to look at what you're doing. And then look at the colors, you guys. Come on, look at these colors. You got green, you got purple, you got pink, you got bronze colors, you got gold, you have mattes to work with as well. I mean, everything that you could possibly want in a palette, in my opinion, is in here. This is such a beautiful palette. You guys, if you guys hear my kids in the background, it's my daughters yelling at each other because they just cannot be civil. The next palette is the HUDA. I keep saying HUDA, I don't know why. The Huda Beauty Smoky Obsessions palette. Oh, this is beautiful. I wore this for New Year's and I've been incorporating it in my looks as well. It comes with a beautiful little mirror as well. But look at the colors. Oh, everything. It's beautiful. It has this beautiful silver color. Look at that. Oh, so pretty. And it has browns, chocolate browns. It has golds and bronzes and black and a transition color right here. Look at that. Oh my gosh, and I barely touched these. These are beautiful palettes. I love them. The next one is the Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions. Oh, come on. Come on. Look at this. How could you not pick this one up? This is so beautiful, you guys. There's fuchsias, there's purples, there's blue, there's aquas, there's yellow, orange, bright, hot pinks, and this beautiful, like, I don't know what you would call that, like a burgundy color, I guess. Oh my gosh, you guys. I have not played with this one yet, but I know for a fact that I'm going to have a lot of fun with this. These are, I believe, $28. You cannot go wrong. I thought they were $24, but then I heard they were $28. I don't remember, but I am so in love with this palette. If I keep looking at my viewfinder, you guys, I'm trying not to. I'm training myself to look at the camera, but it's hard. The next thing I want to show you guys is this. It's the Huda Beauty, I don't know what these are called. Anyway, it's the Huda Beauty little trio that comes in this little tin with the beautiful big plump lips. The eyeliner is not in here because I used it on my last video and then I put it away. But yes, pick these up. That's all I have to say about them. I picked this one up specifically for this lip liner. Not lip liner. They call it lip strobes. But I saw the full size of these and they didn't have it at the Sephora nearest me. So they were like, well, it's in a little trio. And the price was right, so I got it. It's like this beautiful, oh, look at that. It has a shift. It has like a rosy pinky shift and then gold or bronze. Oh my gosh, I couldn't resist. This is the liquid lipstick that comes with it. It's called Trophy Wife. Hold on. Can you guys see that? It's still wet. There you go. It's like a beautiful berry color. The lip liner is the same color as that. It's gorgeous. They're comfortable. And I definitely recommend that you pick these up if you have not already. The next item I want to talk to you guys about is my other little gift my mom sent me along with the BH Cosmetics palette. It's these little brushes. It came in this beautiful little striped case. Silver and black, and then these brushes are so freaking cute. Look at that. Look at the colors. They have face brushes in this and eye brushes as well, so you can create a complete look with this. These are perfect if you're a beginner because number one, they're affordable, and number two, they come in a nice compact little case like this that you can, if you don't have a lot of space in your room and you just need something really simple, this is perfect. And these brushes are beautiful, soft, they're workable. I use this one to bronze my face. I work with this one as a blending brush. This little angle brush as well. This little, I think this is a lip brush, but I use it for my lower lash line. And then it has a spoolie. I love them. They're easy to work with. They blend your powders really well. And I recommend it. They're really pretty. I have two more items to talk about. I'm going to start with this little powder. The original formula Coty Airspun Loose Face Powder in Naturally Neutral. Now, I'm going to blame Tati for me buying this. Because she said she liked the way it worked better than the translucent one, which I also have. And I like it. It works well. Do I feel like it works better than the translucent one? No. I honestly think they work the same on my skin. I'm sure for her it's a little different. But yeah, these powders are good. They're affordable. They're right under $6 at Walmart where I'm at. Is good. Great for baking under your eyes, baking anywhere on your face. I love it. It's a lot of powder too, and you can't beat the price for all this powder, and it does a really good job. All right guys, and my last item, I wish I had more items to talk about. I'm gonna share with you my first NARS purchase. This is in the shade Vallauris. I'm not sure, but it's medium 1.5. I actually think this is maybe a little too light. In my previous video with the pink eyeshadow, I used this foundation and I just looked super ghostly. Like my face was not matching my neck. That's not a good situation. So when I can, I'm going to try to grab a little shade that's a little darker. And yeah, I like it. This makes your face look really natural. It's not overly dewy. It's not matte. It looks perfect. Drawback, price, drawback, no pump. It does not come with a pump. Look at that. It makes my skin look healthy, natural, evened out. It's really, really good foundation. Now, after that whole rant about that foundation, you guys, I really, really hope that you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you're interested in seeing more videos like this. Leave comments down below and let me know what you want to see next. Yeah, and that's really all I have to say, you guys. Look at my hair. Oh gosh, you guys. Oh, I really do not want to bash this, but I really had high hopes for it. It's the Locking Coconut Curls from Organics, Pure Beauty, and Simple. I don't know. It's this. This is a mousse for curls, and it's weighed down my hair so bad. My hair feels so weighed down, and like, I don't like the way it feels. I mean, no, it's just not cute. But let's not end it in a bad note. And thank you again. I've already babbled way too much, and I'm gonna stop right here. Love you guys, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.